sorry for the coolant fucking alarm, but that always happens. I don't know why it always happens. I have coolant. It'll turn off once the engine gets the temperature. But yeah, about to roll out. I had a good week of holidays. I didn't feel like staying that long, but I mean, it is what it is, you know. I'm not used to staying home that long, especially when you're trying to make money, you know. But yeah, I couldn't get the truck started. Had to pass jumper cables. It took us a minute, you know. My wife, you know, stepping on the gas, and while I was doing everything else outside, but it worked out. We got it on. Trying to get it up to temperature a little bit before I start rolling out. We got about 2.5 hours. We got 134 miles. Gonna go pick up in Decatur, Texas, picking up some steel. Look at that truck, that's nice. Picking up some steel, going to Iowa. You know, starting it off a little slow, but it is what it is. So let's get rolling. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, I made it to Decatur, Texas or some shit. I don't know. But had to spread the axle just in case. Truck's seen better days. It's really dirty. Missing a nut cover right there, but it's all good. We're gonna get loaded with that stuff right there. It's about 38,000 pounds. Not real heavy. Hopefully all of it can fit on the bottom deck, which it should. But yeah, little ass town, middle of fucking nowhere. We're taking the sweet ass time for the most part, but it's all good. We need a wash. Damn. I know I keep saying that. We'll get one soon. Yeah, so we're still here, but they're doing a good job. That's a nice car. They're doing a good job. They're being very careful, putting everything where it needs to be. It's 38,000 pounds. Gonna be throwing quite a few chains today, but not a big deal. But damn, if the forklift wasn't there, my truck looks good from a distance. It's pretty clean for the most part. But yeah, they're being very careful, stacking it neatly. Should be out of here in a bit. All right, so we just got loaded. They all left, but man, this phone really brightens it up. That's crazy. It's way better than GoPro. Well, yeah, it's stacked. It looks pretty neat, but those top ones are, it's just like, they're shaped like T's, and they wobble a fuckload, so I'm gonna have to somehow secure the fronts of those so they don't fucking go side to side like this. But everything else is, throw chains through them, no big deal. Same thing with the back. I'm close to 40,000 in the back. They put too much shit in the back, too much space right there. But I mean, it's because those are the same length as these, kind of, or a little shorter, so they couldn't really scoot them up because those bottom pieces go all the way over here. But oh, and then we got that right there. So damn, she's bright. But yeah, I mean, just gotta throw chains carefully. I'm more concerned about the top. Everything else, you know, with the lumber in the middle, and there's enough friction. And on top of that, if it does slide forward, it's gonna hit this. If this slides forward, it's gonna hit that. Like I said, I'm only gonna worry about those. So I'll probably throw an X chain on that from up here. Some bullshit, we'll figure it out. But yeah, now throw some fucking chains and then try to go find somewhere to park. We'll see. But there she is for now. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. Yo, so it just got done. I don't even know what time it is. Let's see, what time is it? I can't even check. But I would say about 2 hours later, because this is some bullshit the way I had to tie this down. I guess the key to it is make sure nothing moves on its own. You know, make sure if you're throwing chains or straps, make sure that every piece is making contact. That way there's some friction, some pull. Otherwise, it's just gonna be bouncing up and down as you drive, and it'll cause problems. You don't want problems down the fucking road. So every piece is touching a chain. Everything. At least one piece of it. On the back, I was more concerned about it falling off for whatever reason. So I made sure that the flanges that you see in the front, those flanges right there, I have a chain going through it, so that way, for whatever reason, like I said, if I'm going up a fucking steep ass grade, they ain't gonna fall back. But I mean, I got plenty of chains on it, so it shouldn't. But it was just stressful doing this shit. It's just a lot of moving. It doesn't look like it, but there's a lot of moving pieces. Like for instance, this one, and this one. Well, these two are solid all the way across, so the chains hold it down. These top sections are just individual pieces. 1, 2, 3, and then there's one on the other side, and they all move left side to side. So it was a little tricky tying that shit down. Same thing over here, except instead of just 2, there's 3, and then there's like 5 moving pieces up here, including that one. So I had to make sure everything touched the chain. Got it done. I put a strap right there because that one is one of those flipped up the other way around, and it was rocking left and right. So I put a strap. I put a chain on this one. It acts as an X chain, so if there's any forward movement, it's gonna stop all that shit from going forward. That should be all right for the most part. If it does move forward, it'll fall on my trailer. But there's nothing to fucking X chain that shit down, so I just tied it down as hard as I could. So it's all secured. I lost my fucking flashlight, dude. That was my favorite flashlight. It was a small, fits in your pocket. I've had it for a while. Fuck, man. Oh, and then we have that. I could lift it with my fucking hands. It was super light, probably like 100 pounds less. So I put a strap over it. Oh shit, I forgot. We have a center piece right here. It's like a little bundle. It's like 5 or 6 pieces. Just put 2 straps in the, like down the middle. Call it a day. But yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains in the back, or 6 chains. 1, 2, 3. I can't even see, but I got like 5 or 6 chains up there. But that's it. Double check, triple check. Lost my flashlight. She's all lit up. Nobody's here. They all fucking left. Now to go find somewhere to park that's still serving food. Guess we'll see. Had a hotshot driver lose some fucking wrapping paper or whatever the fuck, and it just got hooked on my ornament. Gotta find somewhere to pull over. Alright, y'all, so we made it. Had some problems with the truck. I thought it was the fuel filters and shit. Turned out to be an exhaust pressure sensor that's cracked. I'll show it later when I can. It was so dumb. But yeah, we're basically delivering all that unpainted. Obviously, they're gonna paint it here. They're gonna galvanize it. I guess makes it more durable to the elements. So got plenty of room on both sides so I can get unloaded. Had to go inside that building, go back outside, go through a small ass alleyway that was not built for trucks. It was some bullshit, but let's get these chains off and get the fuck out of here. All right, so we got all the chains off, all my binders put away, the 4 straps that I used. It was quicker than I thought. I thought I was gonna be slow at it, but I guess not. Damn, my truck looks like it does have window tint. It has a little window tint. But yeah, this guy's offloading it pretty quick. I'm helping him out by taking out the dunnage. I don't really have to, but he told me it's a little faster if I do that for him. And I was like, yeah, man, no problem. I'm trying to get out of here anyways. I'm trying to get some breakfast. So he's doing it very, very quick, very efficient, which is awesome. I thought he was gonna take as long as they did loading me, but nah, he's doing a good job. So, damn, it's pretty slick right here too. It's pretty icy everywhere, so gotta be careful. But yeah, once this is done, I guess we'll see where we're going next. But still got this stack right here and that pallet, but we'll see. Alright, so we just parked. Well, we've been parked. I got some fuel treatment to remove some of the water, even though nothing really happened. Oh, and my tanks aren't fucking equalizing, so I'm spraying a lot of fuel. They're just now equalizing. I'm watching the fuel gauge is now going down. it measures on my driver's side, so I can see the fuel gauge going down, which means it's pushing diesel to the other side. But yeah, we're empty, waiting on our next load. Probably won't get one till tomorrow. Not a big deal, you know. Hopefully get something that delivers Monday, Tuesday. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See y'all later. Peace. Hey y'all, my bad. I didn't get to film. Well, I forgot to film when I left that place. I stopped and I got food at McDonald's, and I was just chilling. I was tired. And then afterward, as soon as I got done eating, my dispatcher told me to come down here to like towards Omaha. And so I made my way down here. And I didn't catch any footage on the road on the way up here. I don't know, I just didn't feel like turning on my GoPro and then having to transfer the file to the phone, which would have taken like a minute, 2 minutes if I would have just took some fucking road footage. But I forgot, and I also forgot to film when I was done getting unloaded at that place. But I don't know, I'm gonna try to get better at this. Right now I'm filming on my phone. It's a lot easier, a lot better. I didn't know CapCut was that easy to use. So that way my videos can be a little more straightforward. You know, I don't have to worry about editing in music and stuff like that. I don't plan on doing that stuff. I want to, but I'm on the road so much. Unless I could bring my computer with me, which would be a fucking hassle, and this flat top. But for now, I'm gonna just stick to CapCut and on my iPhone, and it's working pretty well. It looks really good, and it's super easy. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can just focus on this. But yeah, just waiting on the next one, and I'll see you guys on the next one later.
When it comes to cash, bitch, I feel like a magnet. If she a baddie in her bag, then that's attractive. Boy, you so dramatic with the acting, you need practice. Ain't fucking with you maggots. Big steppers, I let you have it. I ain't stepping on them, walking on them, stepping on them, yeah.